Hello, my name is Christy Rodriguez. This is MyCred Eportfolio. So far, I have a picture of myself, my personal information, also my email address, which is a professional one, and I have my LinkedIn account. Under assignments, a project which the outcomes was prepare and evaluate reports, memos, and other documents to meet the professional standards of the justice system or private security field. This is an evaluation that I did on a man if he should have been charged with a burglary that happened at his home where he ended up killing the person. One of my projects. I also have a reflection on my career plan, and I have a crime scene investigation project on here as well. That might be that. Those show, how I could evaluate scenario. Also, report informations in a professional standard to the justice system. Also, in miscellaneous, I have the scenario of the security breach information showing about technology and why it's important not to give up information. And that's actually under the outcomes of utilize appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in visual, written, and or oral format. This is my bio. I put a little information about myself here. Then I have a presentation that I made on employee theft. That actually under the same thing. Nope. It is actually under adapt essential communication skills to interact effectively with supervisors, peers, and the public in various justice professional settings, which this one I actually kind of like. This presentation and the scenario basically was for me to create one in my job that a supervisor told me to make, showing why is it important basically that employees don't steal and what the company could suffer as far as, from sales and product. That's pretty interesting. Then I have project, which is crime in the United States, which is also, I believe, that actually is like a mathematical, has graphs and shows parts of, different years of crime. Let me just go back to one of these. This from the crime investigation. This one was my most, that's one I believe that is in my portfolio. That one actually under the same thing, that essential communication skills to interact effectively with supervisors, peers, and the public in various justice professional settings. That basically, this one has like a lot of information. It's like police report. It's about a crime investigation that I basically was told to conduct and come up with and created different, a different outcome of the crime. So it's really detailed. I believe this is all that I have. Also, resume, that I have that. make sure that's on there as well. Still got a lot more to go on here, but I believe I covered pretty much outcomes. I still could add a little more, and which I will eventually. But, yeah, thank you for your time.